We gave a drink to every child. CB Education System, a network to all over Pakistan. Under supervision of Ministry of Defence, CB Public School and College, Texla, Kent. Admission open.
Of the horizontal component of the resultant vector can be substituted by this equation, which is called Rx is equal to bx plus cx plus nx and so on. So the steps for this method can be revised in this scenario that we have to draw the individual vector being summed and x is being used. Find the x and y component of Rx and Ry, which are called the rectangular components of the resultant vector, or find the magnitude of the resultant vector by using this formula, and at last find the direction of the resultant vector, which is called theta, and theta can be determined by the quadrant rule, which are called first quadrant, second quadrant and third quadrant. So I'm going to represent you the basic scenario for method regarding quadrant method. So there are 4 quadrants in Cartesian coordinates which can be explained by these are the 4 quadrants: first quadrant, second, third and fourth. These quadrants can also represent the position of angle. At this point angle will be 0, at this point angle will be pi by 2 or 90, at this point angle will be 180 or pi, at this 270 or 3 pi by 4, and at this point the angle will be 2 pi or 360 degree. So if the resultant vector lies in the first quadrant of this scenario, the angle will be theta is equal to phi. The angle will be same in first quadrant. But in case of second quadrant, the angle will be, at this quadrant, the angle will be theta is equal to 180 degree minus phi. If the angle lies in third quadrant, then theta will be phi plus 180 degree, and in the fourth quadrant theta will be equal to 360 degree minus phi. So we can find the value of theta, the value of theta by using these methods, these formulas, and this will be easy for us. So this is the explanative lecture about the topic which is called addition of vector by rectangular components. I hope so this will be very helpful for you, because this is a very important topic of chapter number 2. This topic leads to the basic formulas to solve numericals in the exercise and the coming scenarios in chapter number 2 and chapter number 5 or 6. So this is the basic key to find the next solution of the upcoming chapters. I think so this will be very helpful for you. So thank you so much. Take care of yourself.